Okay, children. Now I am going to take the fifth standard social. The first lesson is our earth. So, what do you mean by the earth? The place where we live is called the earth. So, in the earth we have water, air, and sunlight and everything. So, how this earth is formed and what are the planets are there, that we are going to see in this exercise. So, this is like a conversation starting from this lesson. A man is waiting for his father in the evening. After returning from school, his father is an employee in a bank. So, a man is waiting for his father. When his father comes home, he asked him, "Eman, come daddy," he said. Eman ran and hugged his father. So, அவங்க அப்பா கட்டி பிடிச்சிட்டு called him, "Come daddy." Father asked, "What, Emaya? Had your snacks?" "Yes, I had," he said. "What are you doing? Have you completed your homework?" His father is asking. Usually, did you completed your homework? "Yes, my social teacher told to draw the solar system. Will you please help me, Dad?" he asked him. "Yes, sure," his father said. "She is going to teach about Earth tomorrow, Daddy. She told to gather information about Earth. Please tell me about that, Dad." So what Eman is asking about his father is social Miss told to prepare about the Earth because she gathered some information about the Earth. So he asked his daddy, "Please tell me about that, father." "Okay, I will tell you," his father said. And Eman asked the question, "How did the earth originate?" So how the earth originate? எப்படி உருவானது? So millions of years ago, billions, not before that, millions of years ago, an explosion, திடீர்னு ஒரு வெடி explosion called a big bang occurred. ஒரு சத்தம் கேட்டது. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by the massive explosion. அந்த எக்ஸ்ப்ளோஷன்லேருந்து நிறைய ஸ்டார்ஸ் ஸ்டோன்ஸ் எல்லாமே வெளியே வந்தது. These celestial bodies together is called as universe. அதாவது எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து சேர்ந்து தான் this becomes the universe and it is referred as the cosmos. So will you explain about universe, daddy? The universe is a vast expanse of the space. So space விட விரிஞ்சு இருக்கிறது universe. The universe consists of billions of galaxies. அந்த யூனிவர்ஸில் என்னென்ன இருக்குது? galaxies, stars, planets, asteroids, meteoroids and natural satellites. ஸோ இந்த ஸ்டார்ஸ் பிளானட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், காமெட்ஸ் வால் நட்சத்திரம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, asteroids and meteoroids, Erical, and natural some other satellites will be there. The exact size of the universe is still unknown. இது வரைக்கும் யூனிவர்ஸோட exact size they doesn't know any scientist. And scientists believe that universe is still expanding outward. இன்னும் expanding, அதை விட இப்போ இருக்கிறத விட இன்னும் வெளியில் விரிவடைஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கு. been expanding outward. Though still they are building but not yet proved. Okay, then what is a galaxy? Galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. This is the galaxy and this is a huge cluster of stars. A group of stars together ஒரு இடத்துல இந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிக்கிறது தான் galaxy. So the galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. So our galaxy, this is the Milky Way. This is the galaxy and this is the Milky Way. So what do you mean by the Milky Way? Our galaxy Milky Way is one of the countless billions of galaxies. இந்த மாதிரி billions of galaxies நிறைய அப்படி இப்படிங்க ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது தான் மில்கி வே. ஸோ இது ஒயிட் கலர் இது ஒன்றுனா இது countless billions of galaxies. So this is called the Milky Way. It seems to be white like a milk. So this is known as the Milky Way, this way, Milky Way. So each one is countless billions of galaxies. Stars, that is huge cluster of stars, group of stars அங்கங்க போய் stay. And okay daddy, what is the solar system? The solar system, you know that already we have learned from the class. The solar system consists of the sun, planets, moons, dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. So solar system consists of what are that? Sun, the planets, the moons, the dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. Asteroids and comets. So this is the solar system. So our solar system consists of the sun, the planet, their moons, dwarf planet, asteroids and comets. So these objects are gravitationally bound. ஒன்னோட ஒன்று gravitation forceல ஈர்த்துட்டு அப்படியே இருக்கும் அந்த இடத்துல. So very interesting that. Tell me about our solar system. So solar system consists of the 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets? 8 planets in the solar system. What are the 8 planets you know? So the 8 planets are, they are the outer planets are gaseous planets. So in this is the solar family. This is Sun, Venus, Mars, Mercury, Earth, Moon, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So 8 planets is Mercury, Venus. 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. So these 8 planets, these outer planets are gaseous planets. What are the outer planets? This Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These outer planets are known as the gaseous planets filled with gases. And inner rocky planets, inside the inner rocky planets, what are the inner rocky planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So gaseous planet is gaseous planet. What are the gaseous planets? Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter. So these 4 are the gaseous planets. And inner rocky planets are only Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars is the rocky planet. Rocky planet is Mercury. So understand children, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So these are called the rocky planet. So under the 8 planets, gaseous planet is Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Jupiter. And rocky planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So these are called as terrestrial planet. Terrestrial planets. So the frozen planets, 2 frozen planets, Uranus and Neptune are frozen planets. Frozen planets is Uranus and Neptune. So gaseous planets is Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Jupiter. Rocky planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And frozen planet is Uranus and Neptune. So this is the solar family. Now the next we are going to see about, then where is our Earth? That. So in this 8 planets, the Earth enga irukku pathina, here the Earth is our Earth. So this is the Earth and this is the Sun. So now we are going to read about how the Earth is located in this. So the Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. So Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. It is said that Earth is rotating itself and at the same time revolving around the Sun. Is it true? So the Earth is rotating on its own. At the same time revolving around the Sun. So middle of Sun and the Earth is revolving around the Sun. Is it true? Yes, it has 2 movements. They are rotations and revolutions. The Earth rotates on its axis. So 2 movements in this. They are rotations and revolution. So the Earth rotates on its earth that is rotate on its axis. It is called the rotation of the earth. It also revolves around the sun. அதே மாதிரி sun வந்து சன்னையும் சுற்றிட்டே வருது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் கால்ட் ரெவல்யூஷன் ஆஃப் த எர்த். ஸோ அப்படி சுற்றிட்டு வரும்போது தான் நம்மளுக்கு டே அண்ட் நைட் இஸ் காஸ்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ அப்படி சுற்றும் போது த டே அண்ட் நைட் இஸ் காஸ்ட் டியூ டு த எர்த் ரொட்டேஷன். பகல் நேரமும் இரவு நேரமும் நம்மளுக்கு மாறி மாறி வருது பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் ரொட்டேஷன். அண்ட் சீசன்ஸ் ஆர் காஸ்டு பை த எர்த் ரெவல்யூஷன். ஸோ எர்த் அப்படியே சுற்றிட்டே வருது இல்லையா, அப்போ அது சுற்றிட்டே வரும்போது தான் நம்மளுக்கு சீசன்ஸ் வருது. சம்மர், வின்டர், autumn and spring, north-west monsoon, north-east monsoon, like that. Seasons are caused by the earth rotation. So life is possible only on the earth. So life is possible only on the earth, not on the other planets, because of the presence of land, air and water. இது மூணுமே நமக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேவை. Land, air and water. It is possible only on the earth. Okay, now the seasons. Summer season is March to May. So seasons I said, no, what are the seasons here? Summer seasons, March to May. Summer seasons, March to May. And winter season, December to February. And southwest monsoon, southwest monsoon, it is June to September. And northeast monsoon, northeast monsoon is October to November. So these are the seasons caused by the earth revolution. Okay. So summer is March to May and winter is December to February, and southwest monsoon June to September, and northeast monsoon is October and November. Oh, I see. Okay, then what is asking? What is the distance between the sun and the earth? So distance is nearly 150 million kilometers between the sun and the earth. How many kilometers? 150 million kilometers. So distance between the sun and the earth. Distance between sun and the earth is 150 million kilometers. 150 million kilometers. This is the distance between the sun and the earth. Say some interesting facts about the planets. So what are the interesting facts about the planet? Mercury and Venus lies near the sun. So here we are seeing Mercury and Venus. Where is the Venus? Mercury and Venus lies nearer to the sun. And then next to the earth. So earth next is Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So next to the earth is Mars, Uranus. See, Mars, Uranus is here, Saturn, Jupiter and Neptune. So all this these planets close to the sun, nearer to the sun is very hot. The planets nearer to the sun are very hot. The planets away from the sun are very cold. Okay, so nearer to the sun the planets are hot, including our earth. The planets away from the sun is very cold. So Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. This is the smallest planet. And Venus is called Earth twin. Venus is known as Earth's twin. And Mars is described as the red planet. Mars is the red planet. It seems to be in red color. In Tamil, I think they will say Chavai Graham. So Mars is the red planet, and Earth is called the blue planet. Our Earth is called as the blue planet. So Saturn is the ring planet. Okay, so Mercury is the smallest planet, and Venus is known as Earth's twin, and Mars is known as the red planet, and Earth is known as the blue planet, and Saturn is known as the ringed planet. So the distance between the Sun and the Earth is 150 million kilometer. Okay, so wow, amazing. So after we are hearing this, what is it, Damien? Wow, amazing. Was a wonderful, no? About studying about the Earth and the planets. So where do we live on the Earth? So this is the Earth. So we live on the surface of the Earth. This is the Earth, and we live on the surface of the Earth. And it is made up of 7 continents and ocean. You know the 7 continents, what are they? They are Asia, Africa, North America and South America, Europe and Australia. So our Earth is covered with, Earth is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. You know the continents, 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America. See, you already learnt, I think so. North America, South America. In the world map, you can mark all these continents in this. South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the largest continent. So 7 continents is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So these are the 7 continents. And which is the biggest continent? Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest. This is the biggest continent. And Australia is the smallest continent. This one is the very smallest. In the map you can see this. This is the smallest continent. And Antarctica is full of snow only. And what are the 5 oceans? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. And it is 97% of the planet's water is in the ocean only. So, 100% in that 97% is the water is in the ocean only. Is it so, Daddy? Apdiya, in a blow water oceans, 5 oceans like water, 97% is planet's water in the ocean only. Yes, around 71% of our earth is covered by salt water. 71% is the salt water. This is the salt water only because it is covered by 5 oceans. Salt water only. And 2.5% water is fresh and 1% only easily accessible. Thank you, Daddy. Today we have learnt about the earth from you. Now I am going to study and do my homework. Okay, Emia, go and study. Okay, children? Thank you, children.